Want to turn your Instagram into a money-making machine? Let me show you how to create a professional Instagram business page, step by step. And if you're serious about growing online, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more powerful tips like this. First things first, open the Instagram app and tap Create New Account. You can sign up using your business email or phone number. Make sure to set a strong, unique password. This is your digital storefront after all. Now, enter your birth date, hit Next, and when it asks for your full name, type in your business name. Choose a clean and catchy username. This will represent your brand online. Click Next, agree to Instagram's terms and policies, and your account is ready. But wait, we are not done yet. Time to switch things up and go full business mode. Go to your profile, tap the menu icon, that's the 3 lines on the top right. Scroll down to Account Type, and tap Switch to Professional Account. Choose the type of business you're running, whether it's fashion, tech, food, or something else, and decide if you want your category to be visible on your profile. Tap Done. Here's a quick tip. Select Business instead of Creator to unlock the full set of tools for insights, ads, and analytics. Next, add your business phone number and address. Enable display contact info so people can reach out directly. To make your marketing smoother, connect your Instagram business account to your Facebook page. This helps you run cross-platform promotions and manage messages in one place. Lastly, set up your professional profile details clearly so Instagram knows what your business is all about. And that's it, your Instagram business account is now live and ready for action. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tips on growing your brand and mastering social media.